Okay, we're in Kingwood, checking out the flooding. Riding with the kids, Mount. Say hello. Hi. Say hello. Lots of flooding, so we get to ride our bicycles on the road. Ina, smile.
Hello.
We're gonna go through some water. It's not too deep. Doesn't look too deep. Whoa. Little bit. We're electric, so I don't have to get my feet wet. Whoa. Here we go. So, there we go. Lots of bicycles out to assess the damage, assess the flooding levels. It's really beautiful out. Let's go to the lake, see what's going on over there. It's hot today too. It's about 80 degrees. We're riding the roads. My wife's behind me. We've got the kids with us. They're the flooding experts. Do you guys see any flooding?
Yep.
Where?
There.
Well, let's turn the camera around.
Oh,
That is flooding. That street looks underwater. Uh-oh. There they are. They're going in the water. Oh. Kijk even hoe diep die gaat. Ik ben blij dat we daar niet doorheen gingen. Kijk even, wauw. Zie je dat? No problem. We moeten kijken. There's a lot more over here. Let's see how deep it is. Let's see how deep it is. They're gonna cross it. I think we could cross it with electric. That doesn't look too bad over there. Look, they're fine. The question is how deep this is. How you doing? Oh, is it super deep?
I don't know.
Water's quite deep. For a submarine, we just went through the deep part. I couldn't film it because we did slow down a lot. I have all my electronics with me in this bag, the drone and everything, but we made it. So the water's flowing pretty good here. Yeah, see it up? The whole street's shut down, shut off.
Dat zou ik nooit doen.
Is there anything you guys want to say about the flooding?
I want to swim in it.
Oh, he wants to swim in it? What do you want to do with it, Peach?
Swim. We don't want to because look, there's not much.
Yeah, there's not much there.
I want to swim.
He wants to swim. I don't know if it's a day for swimming.
Yes, it is.
The public pool is open, so we'll probably swim over there, huh?
No, swim over here. This is better.
This is flowing pretty good.
This is just like a river.
Cool. So we're here at Sharky's. There's usually a little play area, grass area, 2 steps down, and then a walkway. Oh, did I already say that?
Yeah.
Wait a second. I already said that according to this little guy. Did I already say that, Peach?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to say anything about this spot?
Yep.
What do you want to say?
I want to swim in this one, I think.
Okay, you also want to take a swim here.
I want to eat in one of the and I want to eat in one of the cafes that are open.
Are they open or closed?
Closed, but I think one is open.
You think one's open? Okay, we're gonna have a look if the restaurant's open. They want to have a bite.
Pop,
We're gonna assess some more of that flooding.
I want to go in.
But usually there's a little play area. You go a few
I
steps
wanna
down
go
and a
in-
walkway right
I
there.
want to go in that. I want to go in there because I want that all the fish tickle me.
The fish tickle you. You think the fish are gonna tickle you? Maybe. Or maybe a crocodile will come to tickle you.
Ah,
Yeah, you like crocodiles though, right?
snake.
Snakes.
Turtle.
So usually we hang...
Look at this guy.
A turtle, yeah. And a Peach, what did you see?
This looks like beach.
This is a beach. We should have just brought the blankets. A bunch of restaurants here. There's a walkway along these poles right there that's completely submerged. And so we're on the bridge now. The water is moving at a pretty good pace. We're on the West Lake Houston Bridge. It's closed off for today because of the flooding. The bridge is dry, but the roads leading up to are completely flooded. I'm gonna throw the drone up in a second And yeah, let's assess some of the flooding. I don't know how bad it is. We'll have a look. We found a sleeping deer. Can you tell me what you guys found? What is he then?
He's dead.
Dead?
What's the breed?
Peach, zeg even, sleeping deer or not?
He's not a sleeping deer. Yeah, I saw blood in his booty. You wanna see?
You saw blood in his booty?
Yeah, you wanna see?
Should we take a look at the blood in the booty?
You really need to see.
Okay, let's have a look at the booty blood. Okay, we're gonna, they wanna see blood in the booty for some reason. I'm gonna turn the camera around, take a close look. Got the road for ourselves. Got the kids on the back somewhere.
Yeah.
Where are they? Wacht even. Oh, daar. Here. Wave, guys.
Yeah.
Wave. And we're going very fast. Kijk uit, kijk uit. Mom's doing very dangerous things over here. There she is. Enjoying. Woo! Woohoo! This is nice. There's Ina. We're going through the water. We just made it through.
My tuna stand up Florida. Oh! These boulders right up
Here we go.
flooded.
The world's flooded, but that's good. You have lots of places to swim now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got another flooded street here. We're right next to the Y. This is West Lake Houston. We're going through the water. This is the Y at West Lake Houston. It's looking pretty good. So, how you doing? We gaan even kijken. Nope. No. Secret forest in the back there, but you can't get there. It's too deep.